it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a makeup review on the Makeup Revolution Star Primer. You thought I was gonna say on the new. It's not new. It's been out for a while, okay? So I got notes here. I have tested this product out. I have worn it a couple times here and there. I wanted to make sure that I knew the facts, that I knew the tea, that I know how this really works and if it's long lasting, if it blurs the skin, things like that. We're gonna spill the tea today, sis or bro. Hashtag love wins. If you want to know my thoughts, if you want to know the tea, if you want to know the straight up facts, and if you want to know if it's worth your money, hunty, then let's get started. All right, guys, so here today we have the Makeup Revolution Star Primer with anise extract, okay? We're gonna talk a little bit about that and what that is and stuff. So I have my notes. I have my phone here. It is on silent. It is on autopilot. If you don't want to hear me read about any of this stuff, if you just want to get to the nitty gritty, here you go, and thank you and you're welcome. Yes, okay. I like to read what is online just to get a feel of what I'm getting myself into, honestly, because I definitely got myself into something. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So here we have the Makeup Revolution Star Primer. So first of all, it says 0.68 ounces on the website, but then on my bottle right here, it says net 0.92 fluid ounces or 27.5 ml. Who's telling the truth? I don't really know, but you better have this much in here because as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't have a whole fluid ounce in here, and that is concerning because it's $15. That's expensive for Makeup Revolution. Who you think you are, Makeup Revolution? Running around leaving scars, collecting your draw of hearts, tearing our love apart. That's not enough, and it's $15. Y'all supposed to be drugstore. I don't understand. Y'all being high street right now, and I'm not about it. But anyway, yeah, 3 stars. That's on the low range. I don't know about that. We're gonna read the details and stuff. So it says Makeup Revolution's a soft focus Star Primer features hydrating water gel formula for a restored and perfected complexion. Thigh aquamarine blue water-based Star Primer is enriched with a unique anise aroma. Yes. How to use, you just put it on your freaking face after you moisturize, okay? And then you put it on before foundation. It's a primer. Hello. So that's all I'm reading right here. I have some notes. So the shelf life on this, it says that it is 12 months. Shelf life or date after opening is what this is. And so you'll see a little jar and then it'll have a number on there. Pretty much it'll say how long this product will last. Usually you can use a product longer than that. I don't know if you want to, but yeah. Also, this has the bunny, so it's cruelty free and vegan. So that's great as well. Let's talk about this. So it promises soft focus featuring hydrating water gel formula. So you pretty much get perfect skin with this, allegedly. It's blue. So this is actually a clear container right here, and it is straight up blue. When you pump it out, it is straight up blue. I think it's just from dyes and stuff. Yeah, it's from dyes. Okay, so what I was reading about this product, it says it's a high percentage of water. It neutralizes redness and combats hydration and stuff. So this is supposed to be a very hydrating primer. Now, I do want to mention something that is a little bit concerning to me personally. So it talks about having anise extract, okay? But when you look on the ingredient list, the first will be water. The second is dimethicone, which is a silicone. So that's the blurring aspect to it. And then all the way down below, you'll see the something Mexicana flower. That's the anise. And that's really far. That's like second to last ingredient. I don't know. To me, this is a little gimmicky, but let's keep going. So I did research what anise extract is. And I mean, there are claims here and there about how it's supposed to be tightening on the skin and everything like that. It's supposed to help with calmness and things like that. What I read from WebMD is that skin-wise, it's good for psoriasis, but there are insufficient evidence of everything else. So as far as it being skin tightening and things like that, not so much. But I did read some more about this anise extract. It's good for relieving spasms. It's a disinfectant. It's calming. It also helps with hydration. Overall, this product is pretty good for just like baking. That's pretty much it. It's a flavoring. So when you're pumping this out and stuff, and I can show you right now, when you pump it out, It's blue. It's straight up blue. And when you blend it out, you do feel a little bit of the dimethicone feeling. Now, I will say, if you don't like licorice, like myself, it smells like straight up licorice. Yeah. I believe they call this Star Primer because the anise herb is actually shaped like a star, and that's why they call it Star Primer. That's just my conspiracy, allegedly. That's why I think it's called Star Primer. So they put a lot of thought into the package. I really like it. It's very sturdy. Packaging is nice. It is a glass container, and then you got a pump. So I think that's really great. Anyway, my opinions on this product, okay, after trying it out, after testing it, after wearing it and everything like that. To me, this product is a little gimmicky, okay? And I don't like the smell of licorice. It smells gross, okay? I don't like the taste of licorice. I don't like the smell of licorice. If I'm gonna eat anything licorice related, it's gonna be the red Twizzlers, not the black ones. I'm sorry. I feel like it doesn't have like any benefits to it. So, you know, when you first put it on, you feel the dimethicone, you feel like the siliconous, and it, you know, fills up the pores and everything. But I feel like that in mixture with some hydrating components in it, it starts to make the makeup slip and slide, especially if you wanted to do something matte. Now for me, I've been doing a lot of dewy lately, as you can see. Your girl is dewy. I did not use this primer today, by the way, but I don't think there's really truly any benefits and stuff, especially with having this anise extract in here. Especially for me, this product actually broke me out. It could be the anise, it could be the dimethicone that's in it, because yeah, it did kind of break me out and stuff. But I do use products that do have dimethicone in it, so I don't know. But yeah, it definitely broke me out, especially like right here on my chin. I don't know if you could see and stuff, but I still have some acne scars and things like that from this product. I didn't change my makeup routine at all when using this product. I use products that I know work and I don't have any reaction to, just to get a good idea of how this product works here. It's not long lasting, and especially somebody, if you want a primer that is not gonna only be hydrating but is also gonna fill in those pores, especially if you've got large pores and things like that. If you're going with something that's a matte finish, like a matte foundation, this stuff is gonna slip and slide. It's gonna be gross, it's gonna be nasty. Now luckily for me, I have dewy foundations that I like to wear all the time. I did test this out with a matte, and I did test this out with a dewy foundation. Both are slipping and sliding. It's not good. It's not long lasting in my opinion. It does blur for the first time that you do use it, but then after that, it just kind of slips and slides, and like you literally just touch your face one time and it just comes off. I'm not wearing this primer today, by the way, so I could touch my face all I want to because I know it's gonna stay on my face. Yeah, so let's talk about pros and cons. So the pros, the ingredients, and I mean, that might be a little strange, but you know, dimethicone and water and stuff. Water's good for your skin. Dimethicone is good for blurring and stuff. It's great packaging. They definitely put some thought into it. The color also, it's very eye-catching. So, I mean, this is what really drew me in, was the color of it. I'm like, this is blue primer. Let's try this out. So that's all I could say for the pros. The cons, it's expensive. It smells. It's gimmicky, and it broke me out. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, so what are my final thoughts on this product here? Let's get the drum roll. I don't even think we need it, honestly. No, we're gonna do the drum roll because that's a Chab thing to do. Here we go. It is Chab freaking not approved. It's not approved, y'all. And the reason being is that I think this is a gimmicky product. It broke me out. It's just, it's not good. And for $15, really Makeup Revolution, y'all gonna come at us like that? Absolutely not. Not on my watch. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried this product out and if it worked for you, because I know a lot of people still comment on my Steal a video about how I use that foundation and stuff and how it really didn't work for me. It broke me out and everything. It could be one of those products where it's like a lot of people hate it, but then those few stands that are out there really like it and they use it properly. I feel like you can't go wrong with using a primer. You just put it on your freaking skin. It doesn't give me any special instructions or anything like that. I've researched it. I've gone on the website, and it's just not right for my skin personally. I would definitely recommend you try it at your own risk, but I don't recommend it to you as a product that you should purchase. with your Munty Hunty. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding hit the notification bell because your girl may new video every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. A lot of people say how long this cruelty free. That's my one. You like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Okay.